It's a huge game because most of all, playing in the European Championship is so great for a country. You can't really miss it. And the 2016 European Championship done in France will be a major competition. So Wales must be there next year. They need to qualify because they got a group of players capable of doing it, and not only that, they are capable of doing something great next year also. So to start with the qualification towards the competition itself and making sure that you're going to be qualified, that's the key, that's the most important. But on top of that, you can see the improvement of Welsh football. You can see the improvement of everything. You got a new facilities with Dragon Park down in Newport, but that's where we are. You can see that all the coaches, all the people are aiming to something really much better, and this is the main improvement. And you can see that towards this goal, people are doing a lot, working really, really hard. And I think for everyone working in the background, qualifying to be qualified for the European Championship will bring the whole spirit up, not only as a footballer or being involved in football, but for the whole country as well. Because I guess Welsh people have been expecting and waiting for that for so long that playing in a major competition like that is vital.